Hello folks, we're gonna do our garden. We'll see how it turns out this year. Garden 2021. We're gonna prep our garden. Junior's cutting the grass and I'm gonna rototiller, and Dustin, my nephew's gonna bring some potatoes. All right. Junior. There's the grass. He's cutting and here's the result. And we're gonna get the rototiller and rototiller. We'll see how the garden turns out. The start of the garden 2021. Huh? What's your name again? I forgot.
Cadence.
Huh?
Cadence.
Huh? Can't hear good. Huh?
Cadence.
Cadence. Oh. And your name?
Kendall.
Kendall. Oh.
Those.
Potatoes. She read the instructions. She reads good. Oh, what you got here?
More.
Show us what you got and say what it is.
Those are onions.
Onions. Dustin's rototilling. Teaching the kids. We're gonna. You got number 7 Dustin brought his daughters out. He's gonna get them to plant. There's the garden. Working out not bad. There's the view. There's the tea string. We'll get started. Okay, we're getting Dustin dig the holes. There's one. There's another one. There's another one. Tea's watering it.
I still gotta pick some potatoes from last year.
What's that?
I left some potatoes in there last year.
Yeah. In your garden, eh? There's John D's garden right over here. There's John D. He lives right there. Nice. He grows garden there. How was your potatoes last year?
Awesome.
It was good?
Yeah.
They were big?
You know.
Oh yeah, average?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. We're just gonna try this out again. See how it grows.
Potatoes left over, they grew those eyes.
Yeah.
Now I use last year's potatoes.
Oh, you saved some, eh?
Yeah, a lot.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Yeah. There's some more potatoes going in. We don't know how they'll grow. We'll see. We got a little bit of the, we got it rotor tilled. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
potatoes, right?
Yeah.
Told him he grew.
Yeah.
Edward's like, ah. Earl's like, well, come with me, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Edward walked to them behind his trailer.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're right there in the sand with tiny little bit of topsoil.
Yeah.
Earl grew potatoes
Yeah.
there. Sandman.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Didn't believe it. Edward, he went and saw it. He's like, no, John, true story, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Earl could grow potatoes anywhere.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I did that one time by the little dirt. They grew. Yeah.
See, man.
More potatoes, Dustin got.
You'll be down here weeding this summer?
Yeah.
Not for you, Earl. We can do it more often.
Yeah. Alrighty, we're gonna continue.
How you gonna do
We're
it?
getting it in. One more right there. I think I got the whole row you got there. All the way there. We'll get it covered up. Hello, day 2 of our planting. We're doing 4 feet from each row, 4 feet apart. So later we could go through with the rototiller to take the weeds out. And I marked it 4 feet and I went along there and then I scratched the line. Now I can move my stick and so this won't be in the way. So and I got 2 more, some brown potatoes and red potatoes. I got some. We're gonna put it in, and you can watch. I'll go 6 inches deep. I mean 6 to 8 inches. 6 to 8 inches. Yeah. And 2 feet apart, 1 foot, 2 foot. Go here. One, two. Continue on like that, and that'll be our one, two. Yeah. One, we'll continue like that, and we'll get Tori to put the potatoes in and Tia to water them. Okay. Wait, Tori, we'll put water. Just pour water in there like that. You could probably put it in first. Try that. Put it in there. Okay, it should be good. I'll pour water in there. Here, grab another one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pour it in. Okay. Grab one. Next one.
Small one.
Next one. Grab another one. Okay. Here, grab another one. Potatoes are going in again. Day 2. My daddy's putting it in. Here. Okay, there you go, another one. Get her done. No, you missed the.
Oh.
Okay, pour it in. Grab another one. Keep the project going. Okay. Doing a good job.
Big one.
Okay. What's that? Tori?
14
Huh?
of the hose.
There's what?
There's 14 of the hose.
14 of them?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
14, one row. Just make them level. Don't make them a hill. They won't come up right away. I'm thinking. Okay, just cover them up fast, all of them. Use that dirt that I took out. Okay. Alrighty. We're covering it all. All this one here we're gonna get done. And I'll show you after we're done them all. That concludes our video, Garden 2021. Dustin planted some rows and we did 8 potatoes just now. And we'll rotor tiller the garden a little further, and we'll get a little bit carrots and a little bit potatoes. We'll get that done, and we'll keep you updated as the garden grows. Please like, share, and subscribe. It should be in the corner there or in the bottom. We'll go see the chickens. It's right there. Have a look at the chickens. Yeah, over here. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll end the movie with looking at my friend's John's chickens, laying hens. We'll go check it out. There's the garden over there. We're here at the hens. There's the hens. Chickens.
Wait, there's some up here too. Oh, here you go.
Oh. Oh, here's one down there.
Chicken.
Thanks for watching. Good day.